How to fix low memory in Roblox on Android. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the low memory warning in Roblox on your Android phone. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now scroll down and tap on Apps and select Manage Apps. Find and select Roblox from the app list. Now tap on Clear Data and clear cache off of the application. This removes temporary files and can help fix lag, glitches, and low memory warnings in Roblox. After that, go back and make sure your Android phone still has enough free storage available. If your phone storage is almost full, Roblox may run slowly or crash more often. Now open the Roblox app and join a game. Once you're inside the game, tap on the Roblox icon in the top left corner. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down to Graphics mode. If graphics mode is set to manual with high graphics quality, Roblox can use too much memory and slow everything down. Switch graphics mode to automatic, or leave it on manual and lower the graphics quality slider all the way down. You can also turn on Reduce Motion to disable extra visual effects and improve performance. And that's it. That's how you can fix low memory in Roblox on Android.